I think we should spend a couple of minutes on the stomach before we have lunch, because that is also kind of quite interesting. We've totally neglected it in terms of the cases, because the cases are not so common. So the esophagus, we have plenty of cases. We can show you esophagus all day, but it's not so easy to show you the stomach and bring one on a course, because they are not just coming along for courses. They are coming along when they want to come along, of course. So we talked about high quality pictures at the start. This is to show you that you can get nice images of overview images in MBI if you don't use a cap. TXI, we've talked about all this. We've talked about this. I think maybe in this presentation there's a video. Okay, so this, oh, shame, doesn't work. Anyway, we talked about all that. I don't know if we're having stomach videos.